Good evening to beautiful ladies and some gentlemen. Yeah. Okay, first of all, I'd like to say we are from KRU Academy. Like one of my classmates said, we are not from this line. We have not done game development. Of course, we've done visual effects and movies and such, but never this kind of thing. Ours is very simple. Our title of the game is called Galaxy Battle. It's based on a very retro game called Galaxian. I wonder if anyone of you played SNES. So this is actually based on Galaxian. Concept is simple. We are aiming at, let's say, kids around 2-3 years old, okay, or maybe 4 years old, who wants to learn ABC. The concept is simple. We have a rocket who shoots A, B, C. Is that simple? We try to actually come up with a certain order for it. So, yeah, that's just the basic concept of it. So, it's for little kids learning ABCs. Yeah. And I'd like to inform everyone, we have not used any template. This is all done by scratch. Yeah, that's just as simple as it gets. Of course, future developments can go up to, maybe numbers next time, 10, 20, 30. Whatever it is. So the future development of this game can go very, very far. So yeah, that's Galaxy Battle, everyone. Thank you.